Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, in this video, before that, let me introduce myself. Hello, my name is Jos. I'm in Idem Polytechnic, and in this video, I will show you how to clone a website template to Figma. But first of all, let me explain to you what is Figma. So, Figma is a collaborative web application for interface design with additional offline features enabled by desktop application for macOS and Windows. And the feature set of Figma focuses on a user interface or UI and user experience UX, and with an emphasis on real-time collaboration, just like team. We can add a team, and there's there will be a multiple cursor, and we can design together with our friends. And then how to create a new file is just click this. This is to create a new file design. So once you click it, there's tools right here, and then you can rename this. You can once you get here, you open a new tab and look for the theme that you want to clone. I usually look for the theme at this website. It's called Theme Forest. So Theme Forest is the place where you there's like ideas, some website ideas, a good layouting where the font is comfortable to see, or maybe the layout and the hover. And these are the several category, and I usually use the WordPress. And then I'm not gonna try e-commerce website. And then let's do this one for example. And then once you get here, click the live preview, and then it will appear the website. So this is the website. It's like an e-commerce thing, and it's pretty simple. So once you get here, just copy this link, and then go back to Figma file, and then look for the plugin. It's called HTML to design. This one. The loading is pretty long because it's so powerful. So once you get here, you paste the link that you've been copied, and then you can edit here the viewports. It's like the size of the frame. I choose desktop because this set is for desktop, and then you can edit a theme. You can choose one theme like on that, and then close. And oh wait, or if you check two check boxes, it will uh, import you to pages. So I choose that one, and then just click import, and there will be scanning the process, and then they ask you what font would you like to choose. And then I choose the Poppins because it's so good and so fine to see. And then there we go. See, it's so easy. So just use the plugin, look for the theme, and then copy the theme, paste here, and then import. Easy as that. Um, it's pretty it's a little bit broken because I think this is the websites because there is maybe there is an animation, but we can't detect it to an HTML. I think that's from JavaScript, so like they can detect it and paste it. You can choose another example. So that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Like if you like it. I hope this explanation about this plugin in Figma is very useful for you. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.